How to disable notifications in Rednote. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable the notification in Rednote app. It's super easy process, so let's dive right in. First, open the Rednote app. Now, once you are in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner. Here, tap on this gear icon to open your settings. Scroll down until you see notifications. Tap on notifications. Here's where you control what you get notified about, like likes, messages, mentions, and more. You can turn off likes and collects notification. You can just turn off every notifications from here. Now scroll down and you just tap on in-app notification, toggle it off every notifications and go back. And just like that, your notifications will be turned off. Tap on chat and you can just turn off every notifications from here. If you are still not sure about it, just go to settings on your device. Now once you go to settings, scroll down, tap on apps and search for Rednote. Tap on Rednote and from here tap on notifications and just toggle it off. Just like that, your notification will be off. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.